Hi guys, this is our part 1 of WordPress. So we're gonna work online. Log into your FTP and you're gonna see something like this. And what I want you to do first, go to File Manager before you install WordPress and go to public HTML and delete this file, this index, because WordPress is gonna create its own index page. So we deleted that index and that's all. So this one, don't mind about it. So that's all. You can go back now and scroll down. You're gonna see all interfaces are not the same, but they are a little bit similar to each other. So what you're gonna do here, look for WordPress. Here's WordPress. You click there. After clicking there, it will say install. You install. So you delete this, because if you leave this, it will put your WordPress into, it's gonna create another folder called WP, which we don't want. We want all our files to be in here. So what we do here, we delete this, and yeah, that's fine. So here you can create your whatever site name. Ours called just code. Then you can write anything here. You can say code planet, whatever you want. So you can create a password here, any password you want to create. You can hide it or you can let it be viewed. So I'm gonna say okay. Then you can put your email, any email you want. Then that's all. So say install. So the password is a little bit weak, that's what they say, but anyway, we can do this and say okay. They say 65. Okay, that's all we install. So we're installing now WordPress. Our installation is done. You can go on Twitter and share it, but now we want to visit our WordPress site. If we go to just code, you can see just code .co.za. That's all, but now we're gonna start doing other couple of stuff. So now we have our just code website. You can see it's installed. So we're gonna try to change stuff so that it looks professional, and we take out whatever we don't want and put in what we want. And yeah, that's also what you do if you want to log into your WordPress. You say /WP admin, then you say enter. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, this is our first tutorial. See you in part 2. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna be back in part 2.